Good morning, ninth standard. Today we will start the first chapter of chemistry, and that is matter in our surrounding. In total, we have four chapters of chemistry in your science book. That is matter in our surrounding, first chapter. Second one is matter around us pure? Third one is atoms and molecules. And the fourth one chapter is that is structure of atoms. Now, bache, all of you should listen it very carefully that all these four chapters are very important chapters um, by the point of view of your chemistry, and this is the base of chemistry now which we will start. So matter in our surrounding, what do you understand by this term? That whatever the things which is present or which we can see in our surrounding, like I have shown you in this picture also, there is a lake, in its surrounding there are the trees, and there are the flowers also, mountains, sky, all of these things that is in present in our surrounding. Fine. Similarly, in another one picture you can easily see that in a lake there are ducks, there are trees, ground it is there, then there are few buildings also we can see here. So this also we can say that these are comes under the category of matter which is present in our surrounding. So we are going to discuss about all these matter which are present in our surrounding, which we can see in our places. ठीक है? Okay. So the first question which arise in our mind, that is what is matter? होता क्या है, हम बोल रहे हैं सराउंडिंग में प्रेजेंट है, मैंने आपको बताया कि उस पिक्चर में माउंटेन्स हैं, सी है, ट्रीज हैं, तो बेसिकली व्हाट इज मैटर? सो एनीथिंग which have mass and which can occupy space, ठीक है, जो कि स्पेस लेती है, जगह लेती है, और जिसका अपना कुछ क्या है, मास है, that is known as matter. So all the substances, whatever is present, like stones, we can say clouds, buildings, plants, or in your classroom structure, you can say your class boards, bulletin boards, fan, chair, benches, chalk, whatever is present, your notebooks, bags, pencil, all those things, or in your at your home where you are presently attending my classroom, attending my class. So according to that, whatever the things which takes which occupy space, like your chair, table in which you sit, your laptop, your notebook, your registers, uh, obviously in your surrounding there must be the almirah or the cupboards, your books, whatever, pen, pencil, registers, fine, uh, glasses, windows, door, fan, जो भी present है, all those things which have mass and which have volume, that is all those substances are known as matter. Okay, so examples, as I have already given you, few are mentioned here also, like house, animals, pen, notebooks, stars, air, etc. All these are what? These are the matter. So हमारा पहला question यहाँ पर complete हुआ. What is matter? Matter is anything, matter is those substances which occupy space and which have mass. Yeah, matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Clear hai? Now we are going to discuss about all these things, all these categories, whichever we can see present in our surrounding. So according to matter, like I have already defined what is matter. Now there is, according to the previously our sages, हमारे जो sage होते थे, ऋषि मुनि थे, according to them there is panch tattva, and in they classify the elements into the five elements at that time period. Okay, so panch tattva is nothing but panch means five. Panch means five. So panch tattva is five elements, and they categorize all the matter, whatever I defined till now, or whatever is present in our surrounding, that is into the five category. One, the first one is the fire element. Fine. The second one is your water, which they call the Jal Tattva. The third one is earth element. At that time, they used to say it Prithvi Tattva, but a Tattva us time five elements को कहा जाता. Tattva is elements basically. The fourth is Akash Tattva, which is also known as the ether element, and the fifth one is the Vayu Tattva, which is air element. So these classification were usually but previously done by the sages at that time period, and they categorize the matter into these five category. But now we categorize the matter into the different forms, and that category is, yes, different from this one. But earlier, the according to our Indian philosophy, uh, they divided the elements or the tattva into these five categories, or into these five tattvas. Okay. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर की, मैं अभी उसकी कैटेगरी की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, हम जस्ट एक डिस्कस करते हैं कि व्हाट इज द फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर. सो सिंपली वी कैन से, जस्ट 1 minute बच्चा. Okay, uh, we can say that matter, as I have already told you, that it is made up of the particles. Now particles are bigger one in size or the smaller one in size. So कोई भी matter हो, जितना कि हम अभी तक discuss कर चुके हैं, all these matter is made up of the particles, and these particles are very very tiny. Now how we can prove that, or how we can come to this conclusion that matter is made up of particles and small particles, or we can say tiny particles? So for that, just take 100 ml beaker. This activity you can perform it at home also, in which fill half the beaker, as it is shown in the figure, half the beaker with your water, and then dissolve 1 or 2 spoon of salt or sugar into this. Okay, so this you dissolve. So dissolve some salt or sugar into the water, and then after that we will see if there is any change in the water level. अगर हमने यहाँ पर water level mark किया है, and after dissolving some amount of sugar or salt in it, then we will see after that there is no change in the level of water. ठीक है, उसका water का level rise नहीं करा. So what does that mean? Where does that sugar disappear, or why the level of water do not change? So basically beta, what happens that when we dissolve sugar in water, हुआ क्या, that this is a sugar. ठीक है, अगर हम कहते हैं ये शुगर थी, पहले नीचे जाकर के डिपॉजिट हुई, एंड देन आफ्टर डिसॉल्विंग इट, इट गेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इनटू द कंप्लीट पार्टिकल्स. ठीक है, what happens, it gets distributed into the particles, distributed in between the particles of liquid. कहाँ चली गई, liquid के particles के बीच में चली गई. So sugar get into the spaces between particles of water. What does that mean? That the level of water that will remain same one. वो level of water जो है वो अब change नहीं होगा. So what does that mean? That matter के जो particles होते हैं, there is a space in between that, in which the solid solute particles get dissolved and occupy that space. Next one, there is a one more activity, that how small are these particles of matter? कितना छोटा हो सकता है? So we can say these particles of matter that are very 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 small. that is very, very tiny in size. And how we can prove? For that, we are performing another one activity. Suppose we have taken 100 ml of water in a test tube, और आप सिंपल कहें 100 ml of water in a beaker, ठीक है, and you just dissolve 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate. Beta, potassium permanganate is a compound which is a pink color crystals, ठीक है, क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड में आता है ये, और आपका मतलब पिंक कलर के क्रिस्टल्स होते हैं इसके. आई विल शो यू वन एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो ऑफ इट दिस. So potassium permanganate crystals, when we take in 100 ml of water, then we take out the only from this only you just dissolve in it. Fine. After addition of 2 to 3 ml of 2 to 3 crystals of KMNO4, the color of the solution will become like this. When we take out only the 10 ml with the help of a dropper from this beaker, and again dilute it with the help of 90 ml of clear water. आपने क्या किया? 90 ml of clear water इसमें मिला लिया, 10 ml of previous one used solution इसमें से, so the color becomes faded, a little one becomes lighter. And after this, again you take out the 10 ml of solution from this one beaker, ठीक है, and add it again 90 ml of water in the another one beaker. Then we will observe again the color becomes more lighter in this one case. Again from this one solution, when we take out the another one 10 ml of solution from this solution, and add up a 90 ml of clear water into it, then we will see that the color of this water or the solution becomes more and more lighter. So when we keep diluting the solution like this 5 to 8 times, still after that we will see that water is still leftover colored, a very lighter one, but yes, it is leftover colored. And from there we can come to the conclusion, after so many times diluting it again and again, or after dilution every time, we get the light pink color, because of which we can say that the particles of matter are very, very small in size. Fine, beta. So today we will see that today we have discussed about what is matter, then what type of a matter are present in our surroundings, what are the panch tattva, then what are the constituent, how matter is made up of, then after that matter is made up of the particle, and are the particles bigger in size or smaller in size, and at last I'm going to give you the one assignment on the basis of the topic we have discussed today. So this is define matter. Define matter. Are particles small or large? So obviously particles are very, very small in size. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Which of the following is not matter? So we can say smell of food is not a matter. Why? Because the smell of food is a feeling, um, that is a feel, that whether it is good or bad, तो वो एक फीलिंग है, वो एक मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन है, तो वो पार्टिकल नहीं है, वो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई नहीं कर रहे. So that's why smell of food is not a matter. Rest, plant occupy space, plant have mass, stars occupy space, have mass, particles of sand that occupy space and have mass. So all these three are the matters. Name the panch tantva that I already described to you, so no need to repeat it again. Why cold is not a matter, but cold drink is? So again the same one answer will be there, that cold is a feeling, is a decrease in temperature. Fine. So It is a decrease in temperature, whereas cold drink is a substance which can occupy space, which have a mass. So that's why cold is not a matter. Cold drink is a matter. So thank you. You have to do this assignment in your notebooks, in your chemistry register means, and send it to me. Okay. Thank you, Vita. Thank you to everyone.